morning, everybody. I am pleased to be here in this Infocom conference. Before going to my presentation, I would like to introduce myself. So I am the CEO of Aleat. Aleat is this joint venture company between Safran, previously Sagem Security, and the American Albanian Enterprise Fund, which has been awarded a contract to develop ID card and biometric passport some time ago. So I will come to what has been said before. And this is a perfect example of where technology can bring a lot for the citizen. For example, the biometric ID card and passport has been a huge benefit for Albanian citizens a few years ago. Yes, a few years ago, this project between government and our company, private, bring a lot of benefit to citizens. Now, in the second step, since 3-4 years, we are developing a new project based on the biometric ID card to develop electronic services. So electronic services is a word used a lot since a while now, but what we are doing is trusted. What we are developing is trusted electronic services. Trusted means you can trust who is behind the service, who is behind the transaction. So to do this, we had this idea to base this service on the ID card. Why on the ID card? Because as of today, around 97% of Albanian citizens has an ID card. So this makes sense to build a concept, a project based on this biometric identity card. Then when you use the ID card, you are sure that the person behind the transaction is the person who owns this ID card due to the biometry. So to do this, we develop a lot of electronic system, platform, but one key element was to be certified, means to do the things in the right way. So the first step was to be certified by the Albanian government, which was done in 2013 by NAEC, National Administration, I don't know exactly the translation, ACSE, sorry, in Albanian. So this was done end of 2013 to demonstrate that what we were doing in line with the law and with the trusted security needed. Later on, we built and we developed these services, and we have been just certified last year in November by the European Standard Telecommunication Institute, which is the highest standard of electronic services for trusted electronic services, not only electronic services while we are talking sometime. So this has been achieved and has allowed us to start to build this platform and to develop services. So today we are working with both the government and the private sector to convert this theory in a reality. And up to now, we have done a few success, mainly with the private sector, with the bank, like Raiffeisen, like Société Générale, like Union Bank, and other finance institutions. On the public sector, it takes a bit more time, but we are expecting to achieve real facts in the coming months, years. But as of today, for example, the National Chamber of Notary has developed a system to allow to conduct notarial act with your ID card. Also, in the National Business of Commerce, the NBC, the previous name of Tjekebe or Tjekere, also the citizens are allowed to retrieve their data with the ID card. So, what is bringing this technology? Is bringing confidentiality and fighting fraud. Means, as I said before, with the biometric of the ID card, you are sure that the person who performs the service is a real person. For example, to retrieve your pension, to execute some order, to fight fraud in the bank. This gives 100% security to fight fraud. So we hope now to convert this big step in a real achievement and a real benefit for the citizen. But for this, for sure, we will need the help of the government to regulate, to invite the citizen, but to put in place the law and the necessary legal framework to make this huge idea a success. I thank you.